friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about what jobs you can get after finishing your degree, or how you can make your career in accounting after finishing your accounting degree in Australia. Before going further, I would like to share a small conversation with you. Recently, I met one of my friends after a very long time, and during our conversation, my friend asked me, Santoshi, are you not bored of number crunching whole day and every day being an accountant? I said to my friend, dear friend, accounting is not just number crunching. It has got more than that. Not only my friend has this notion, there are many out there who thinks accounting is a clerical job and number crunching job. In this video today I'm going to talk about what accounting is all about and what opportunities you have in accounting. Before going further, I would like to share a fact. When I came in 2006 as an international student, the accountant and its relevant professions were on demand list in the immigration website of Australia. Even after 14 years, they are still on demand list, that too on medium to long term skills list. That means accountants are still in demand and they are going to be in demand for the next 5 to 10 years. So accounting graduates has a very good future if they want to make their career in accounting. And one more thing I have observed, many students after completing their accounting graduation, they shift into other professions. And after talking to some of them, I found there are 3 reasons why they do that. The first one is they think accounting job doesn't fetch a good salary. And the second one, they think that accounting is continuous education, they have to do all the time. And the third one, not many are aware what job opportunities you get after finishing your accounting degree. So today I'm going to talk on these 3 things that along with sharing my experience. The first one, accounting jobs do not have good salary package. I don't agree with that because after working for 15 years, I could say accounting has good prospects, at least in Australia, as good as in any other profession. For example, the basic job starts from 45 to 55k Australian dollars, and it can go up to 120k depending on your qualifications, experience and skills. And when you get into management accounting positions, yes, that's more than that. And it doesn't have limit because it all depends on which organization you're going to work for and how many reports to you. So the salary package in this profession is also equally good as in any other profession. The second point, continuous education. Yes, accounting, after finishing your accounting degree, I think just accounting degree may not fetch you a good job in accounting. You have to do further qualifications such as become a professional member of CPA or CA Australia. And the good thing about this is you are internationally recognized for the qualifications that you gain from CPA Australia or CA Australia. Let me tell you how. CPA Australia or CA Australia has got mutually recognized agreements between the professional organizations of other countries. For example, if you are a CA from India, if you migrate to Australia, if you want to become a CPA member, then you have to do one subject and then you become a CPA professional member. And in a similar fashion, when you attain CPA Australia and you migrate to other country, then you have to do a couple of subjects according to their professional body, and then you get their professional membership. So you don't need to start from the scratch. You have to just fill the gap what laws and regulations are different in that country. So continuous education, yes, it's same in any other profession. For example, if you take IT, yes, you have to update every time with the new software, with the new applications. Same in accounting. So you have to update yourself with the new systems, with the new standards, and keep an eye on the industry updates. So that's all the continuous education in accounting. I don't think it's any different to any other profession. And the third one, what job opportunities you can get after finishing your degree. Yes, there are two types of jobs you can get. If you are a CPA qualified, then you become a professional in accounting. Whereas if you have just an accounting degree, you can start from the basic jobs such as accounts payable, accounts receivable officer, or an assistant accountant. Once you start building up your experience along with your qualifications, once you reach to that level, then you can get into the proper financial accounting or management accounting roles. And let me list you some of the roles that you can think of depending on your interest and skills. There are many accounting roles such as management accounting. If you are interested in budgeting and dealing with different business managers within the organization, management accounting. Taxation accounting, if you like taxation and dealing with individual taxation or corporate taxing rules, then taxation accountant. Capital asset accountant, who deals with the fixed assets of the organization, depreciation and managing and entering fixed assets. That sort of role is fixed asset accountant. And there is project accountant. Project accountant is that accountant who works on different projects. Mostly projects accountants are recruited by civil companies such as like construction companies. And they got systems accounting. Systems accounting is something which you like coding and the front end of accounting. So that is another accounting you can think of. And apart from this, we got external auditors, internal auditors. So external auditors are those ones who looks at compliance and assurance services, provides compliance and assurance services to the organization. And internal auditing is more of within the organization. But for internal auditors, you can get people from any background. So accounting is one of them where you can make your career in internal auditing, because I'm working as an internal auditor. How I started my journey is, I started as soon as I finished my accounting degree in Australia. I started working in basic jobs such as accounts. My first job was in accounts payable, and then slowly trying to gain more experience in different areas, and then I shifted on to accounts receivable. Then I got into assistant accountant role. Once I got my professional qualifications, my roles have changed drastically. I worked in a financial accounting area, management accounting area, systems accounting area. So I was very fortunate to get exposure in different types of accounting. So if you can update yourself and ready to take up the new challenge, then accounting is very good for you. And everyone thinks accounting is number crunching. No. Let me give you an example. Accountants looks at the financial statements at the end of each month. And as part of this one, they do analysis as well. They perform analysis on each expense that has been incurred by the organization. For example, they compare budget to the actual. So, for example, a stationery order. The budget was $10,000 for the month, but whereas the stationery account in the actual spend shows up $15,000. Then accountant performs a data analysis to see where that $5,000 variance is. And then he goes back, talks to the business managers what it is all about after he found out that it is coming from one department. And then he puts up in a variance analysis report saying that this increase is due to so and so reason. And that goes into the senior management. And then senior management It helps senior management to take informed decision making. So that's how the accountant does, just not number crunching. And there are many rules, like it's not every accountant is different, and some accountants even look at decision making, whether it's make or buy, that sort of things, especially in finance business partnering roles. This is another role where you work between the operations and the finance. You act as a middleman. So there are many roles that you can look for, but the basic jobs you can start looking for is accounts payable, receivable, assistant accountant roles, junior accountant roles, junior tax consultant. All these things you can start and building your career from there. Hope you like this video and let me know which area of accounting you are interested in. Thank you.